Hello and welcome to LibreCAD tutorial channel. Today I want to draw a special thing. It is a regular shape. Okay, the regular shape based on the hexagon, and I will try to draw. But first, please activate some snap functions. There are free snap on endpoint, snap center, snap middle, and snap intersection. Okay. Okay, I need to change the middle points into 1. Okay. Okay, first I want to draw the hexagon. Okay, but to draw this hexagon I need a horizontal line to help. Select horizontal line and okay, type the length 100. Just type 100 in the box. Select snap point middle, left click to put the line. Okay, right click to escape, and now select polygon Pentagon, center with Pentagon. Okay, select polygons and Pentagon and change the number of polygon. It will be a hexagon. Change the number into 6. Okay, and then create a hexagon. Left click at the middle of our horizontal line we have created before. Okay, bring to the end of the line. Okay, right click to escape, right click again. Okay, now to draw this part, it is a difficult part. Okay, we have some data about the drawing. The distance from this point to that point is 25. So I think we should need a vertical line. Select vertical line and type for the length 100. Okay, select middle, select snap point middle and middle points 1. Left click at the top of our hexagon, right click to escape, and now select parallel line tool and type for the distance. The distance is half of 25. You can write 25 divided by 2. Okay, left click at the right side and the left side, right click to escape, and now we got the line. Select 2 points and draw the line manually. Left click and left click and right click to escape, right click again. No, delete. Oh no, don't delete the line. We need the line. Oh, just delete 2 lines. Okay, for the next I think we should draw this triangle first. Okay, we got the distance from the middle line into the shape is 1. Okay, now select parallel line tool and type for the distance is 1 and left click at the left side and right side to create the parallel line. Okay, and then we need to mirror these 2 lines. Select the lines and select mirror tool. Left click for the first point of mirror line and left click for the second point of mirror line. Select keep original, click OK. Okay, we got this shape. Okay, now we need to parallel line again. Select parallel line tool and type the distance 1. Okay, yes, okay, right click to escape. Okay, Okay, we need to extend this line. Select trim tool to extend the line and select the limiting or trim line or cutter line. Okay, select the line you want to extend. Okay. Okay, the next line. Yes. And then right click to escape, right click again. Okay, we need to parallel this line again. Select parallel and the distance is still 1. Left click. Okay. Right click to escape. Now draw the triangle. Use polyline. Select polyline tool. And left click first, second, third, and click this button close. Okay. Right click to escape. Okay. Yeah, we got the triangle. I think we should delete this the lines. Okay, this line also. Okay, and maybe the line too. Okay, okay, 2 lines there. Okay, for the next I think okay, we can copy this line, select the line and select move for copy tool, left click at the end of the line there and bring the line into the middle of this line. Yes, select keep original, click OK, press escape on your keyboard and then select the line again and select move for copy, left click at the reference point. It is the line it's the point. Could you see the point? Okay, and bring the line into the target point. Okay, select keep original, click OK, press escape on your keyboard and then select the horizontal line. Okay, and select move for copy tool, left click at the reference point. It is the intersect. Okay, and bring the line into the position like this. Select keep original, click OK. Okay, next select parallel line tool again. The distance still 1. Left click near the line at the inside. Okay, right click to escape. Now I think we got the shape. Use polyline tool again to draw the shape. Select polyline and left click for the first point, next point, next point, next point, and then click this close button. Okay, right click to escape. Now we can delete all the unnecessary lines. Okay. Okay, next. Okay, we will use rotate tool. Select the shapes. You have to select the shapes from left to right like this. Do not select from right to right to left like this. Okay, just select from left to right like this. Oh yes, and then select rotate tool, rotate, and left click at the rotation center. It is the center of our hexagon, and then left click at the reference point, the top top point of our hexagon and bring the shapes into position like this. And then select multiple copies and type for the font color is 5, the angel 60, and click OK. Yeah. Okay, it is almost done. Select this horizontal line and press delete on the keyboard. Okay, select the hexagon and change the line type for the hexagon. Select attributes, change the line type into dot tiny, click OK. Okay, dimension. Oh, okay, I think we don't need dimension. Yes, okay. Okay, I think it's all for today. Thank you very much for watching this video. I hope you enjoy and can learn something from our video about LibreCAD, how to become a master in LibreCAD. Thank you very much. Please subscribe to our channel and see you in next video. Bye.